Welcome students. So here we are going to start our new topic, that is realization of AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. Okay. In this video we will study only about AND gate and OR gate, and in our next video we will study about NOT gate. Okay. So let's start with AND gate. Okay, so now there are two diodes, that is D1 and D2, and there is one source of 5 volt, there is one resistance R, and here are inputs of 5 volt and 0 volt at point A and at point B. Okay, and here is output at point X. Okay, and all these points are grounded, it means these are at 0 potential. Okay, and 5 volt is taken as 1 and 0 volt as 0 here. Okay, so now we are going to start, and we are making a truth table for this circuit. Okay, so one by one we will take point A at 0 volt and point B at 0 volt. So here both are connected with this point. It means now here D1 and D2 are forward bias, because here is 0 volt and here 5 volt. It means there will be flow of current from D1 and D2. Okay, so now there will be potential drop of entire 5 volt at this resistance R. Okay, so at this resistance there will be voltage drop of 5 volt. It means now at this point, voltage will be 0. So at point X also there will be 0 voltage. Okay, so output will be 0 volt. Okay, now we will give 5 volt at point A and 0 volt at point B. Okay, 5 volt at point A and 0 volt at point B. So here we will see that now D1 is reverse bias here and D2 is forward bias. Okay, why? Because there will be flow of current in D2. It means now there will be potential drop of 5 volt at resistance R. Okay, so voltage of this point will be 0, so output also will be 0 here. Okay, in this situation we are saying that because this point is at 0 volt and this point A is at 5 volt, so definitely D1 will be in reverse bias. Okay, so there will be no flow of current from D1. Okay, now the third case is similar to second case, so we can discuss it like above. Okay, so in this situation also there will be output of 0 volt at point X. Now we will take 5 volt at A and B. Okay, so 5 volt and 5 volt here. So here we are seeing that there will be no current flow, because now both are unbiased, because there will be no flow of current. It means now we can see that there will be no potential drop on this R resistance. Okay, so if potential drop will not be there, it means at this point also voltage will be 5 volt. So at point X also voltage will be 5 volt, so output will be 5 volt. Okay, so here we can see that this truth table is like and of AND gate. Okay, now at OR gate circuit is approximately same, except there is no source here, and D1 and D2 are reversed here. Okay, so one by one we will take input and then we will see outputs here. When A is given 0 volt and B is given 0 volt, in this situation A and B are connected with this point. In this situation now there is no source, it means there will not be any current from D1 and D2, so definitely we can say there will be 0 voltage at this point. So at point X also there will be 0 volt. Okay, so now at point A 5 volt and at point B 0 volt. Point A is connected with this 5 volt and point B with 0 volt. Okay, so in this situation there will be current from D1 and there will be no current from D2. Definitely there will be current flow in D1, so there will be potential of 5 volt at this point, because potential drop will happen after this point. Okay, so this point is at 5 volt, so definitely point X will also will be at 5 volt. Okay, so here output will be 5 volt. Okay, now third case, point A 0 volt, point B 5 volt, so point X. This case is similar to the second one, so here also we can say there will be 5 volt, it can be analyzed very easily like previous one case. Okay, now the fourth one case, 5 volt. A is given 5 volt, B is given 5 volt. So here D1 and D2 both are forward bias, and definitely there is no resistance in ideal situation of D1 and D2. It means at this point potential will be 5 volt because there is no potential drop from here to here. Okay, so at this point voltage will be 5 volt, so at point X also voltage will be 5 volt. Okay, so here output will be 5 volt. After that, so there will be some potential drop, but that will not affect output here. Okay, so these are AND gate and OR gate, and we will discuss NOT gate in our next video. Thank you very much.